and welcome to our channel. We are back again with another video, and today we have a new entry in our hashtag food series. We got a package from Box of Goodies, and in case you are wondering what to expect on their package, it's full of sweet and tasty surprises. That's why I am so excited to unbox it with you guys. As you all can see, it is wrapped, which makes the products more secured inside, and you don't have to worry during the shipping if some of the products are going to be falling off, be missing, or rolling everywhere. And just to add, especially now during this pandemic, it's easier for us to disinfect it. And this is just a reminder to always disinfect all the packages that you are going to be receiving. They have two kinds of boxes, the AFFORDABOX, which only costs 350 pesos, and their regular box at only 650 pesos. The good news is they are having their first ever sale as a celebration to their first month since they have opened. Enjoy their 50 pesos off on both AFFORDABOX and regular box when you reserve and pay your orders between September 23 until the 30th. They can also customize your box by adding a note, a picture of a family member, your wife or husband maybe, and even your favorite K-pop idol, and they just do it for free. If you are a Filipino outside the country and you still want to surprise a family member or loved one here in the Philippines, they have included PayPal as a payment option. There is always a way to surprise your friends and loved one during this quarantine, and now let us all see what's inside their box of goodies. have any inquiries, go ahead and check them out in their social media accounts. They are both on Facebook and Instagram at Box of Goodies. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any food suggestion that you want us to feature next time.